Euclid's division lemma or algorithm has several applications related to finding properties of numbers. Here some examples are there. We are going to be proving this about integers. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q. So every positive even integer is of the form 2q, we need to prove, and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. So these two we have to prove. So let me take a positive integer a. This can be written in the form of bq plus r. So here always b should be less than a. We have taken two numbers a and b, so that b should be always less than a. Two numbers are not equal. One number is smaller than the other one. So this greater number can be written in the form of bq plus r. Here q and r are quotient and reminders. So this r, the condition of r should be 0 less than or equal to r less than b. That means that r can be 0 or greater than 0, but it should be less than the divisor b. So any positive integer, this a, according to this, we have written in the form of 2q as it is when it is an even integer, and according to odd integer, this a have written in the form of 2q plus 1. So in the place of b we have 2. So b equal to 2 here. So if b equal to 2, what is the range of r? 0 less than or equal to r less than 2. That means 0 equal to r, that means r equal to 0, and r should be greater than 0 also, so it can be 1 also. And it should not be 2 because r should be less than 2. So the range of r is 0 less than or equal to r less than 2. So the value of r should be only 0 and 1. So this two, according to Euclid's division lemma, if we substitute the given value of b and the arrayed values of r, if we substitute in a equal to bq plus r in the basic form of the equation, a equal to bq plus r. So this b and r we will substitute here. B equal to 2. So a equal to 2q. In the first place, we'll put r equal to 0. So in the second case, we have to write a equal to 2q plus 1. So we are getting two equations. According to equation number 1, a equal to 2q plus 0. This 0 we can leave, a equal to 2q. That means multiples of 2. Definitely it is an even number. So a can be written in the form of 2q, means definitely this a is an even number. So every positive integer can be written in the form of 2q. Positive even integer. So every positive even integer can be written in the form of 2q. So a equal to 2q. According to the second equation, a equal to 2q plus 1. So for any quotient, we are going to be adding 1. So definitely we will get an odd integer. So a equal to 2q plus 1 is a form of odd integers. So this, according to this, every positive odd integer can be written in the form of 2q plus 1. So positive odd integers can be written in the form of 2q plus 1. So let me discuss once again. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. So according to the given formation, in the place of b we have 2, So we can consider b as 2. If we substitute in this range of r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b, in the place of b we can put 2. So the r range will be r equal to 0 and r greater than 0. So r equal to 0, greater than 0 means we can put 1 also, but it should be less than 2. So we should not take a value 2 for this r. So the value of r will be 0 or 1. So always b should be 2 only. So let me substitute this value of b and r in the given Euclid's division lemma format, a equal to bq plus r. That means a equal to, in the place of b we can put 2. So 2q plus r equal to 0 in the first case. A equal to 2q plus 1 in the second case. So this first case, if we take a equal to 2q plus 0, this 0 we can leave, a equal to 2q. It is a positive even integer because for any divisor it is multiplying by 2. So definitely we'll get even integer. So definitely this a is an even integer. For any divisor, multiples of 2 and always we are adding with 1. So definitely this a become positive odd integer. So every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 and every positive even integer is of the form 2q. This we have proved. Next, we'll show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integers. So what we have to prove? Every positive odd integers. In this case, we are going to be proving only the formation of positive odd integers. It is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So in the place of b, we have 4. So according to Euclid's division lemma, a equal to bq plus r. In the place of b, we have 4. So b equal to 4. And the condition for b is a less than b, and condition for r will be 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So for this, in this range, if we substitute the value of b, 0 less than or equal to r less than 4. So let me take the values of r. R can be 0 also. So r equal to 0 and r should be greater than 0 also. So greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3. But r should be less than 4. So we should not include 4 for r. So the range of r will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. So let me take the value of b and the value of r and substitute in the basic format. So a equal to 4q plus 0. First case, a equal to 4q plus 1, a equal to 4q plus 2, a equal to 4q plus 3. So here, suppose in this first case, 4q plus 0, we can leave 0 so that it will become 4q itself. So a equal to 4q. In this case, a equal to 4q plus 2. So 2, if we take common outside, 2q plus 1. So whatever the divisor, for any kind of divisors, the whole product is multiples of 2. Definitely this is an even number. So we no need to consider about even numbers. We no need to consider about the even numbers. So these 2 we can leave. The remaining will be a equal to 4q plus 1, a equal to 4q plus 3. Because we have to consider in this case about only odd positive integers. So show that any odd positive integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So definitely a can be in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So any positive integer can be written in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 have been showed. So any odd positive integers of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Next example. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Here also we are considering about any positive odd integer. Only odd integer we have to consider. So let me write the Euclid's division lemma. The basic format of Euclid's division lemma is A equal to BQ plus R. B should be less than A and the range of R is 0 less than or equal to R less than B. This is the Euclid's division lemma. In this case, we have the format that in the place of B, BQ plus R. So in the place of B, we have 6 everywhere. In the place of B, we have 6 everywhere. So B equal to 6. So that B equal to 6, if we substitute in this range of R, 0 less than or equal to R less than 6. Now let me take the values for R. R should be equal to 0 also. R can be equal to 0 also. So R equal to 0 and R can be greater than 0 also. So greater than 0 means 1, value 1 we can take, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 we should not take. Why? Because R should be less than 6. So the value of R should be less than 6. So up to 5 we can take, 6 we should not take. So the value of R will be 0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Now we will substitute in this your basic format of Euclid's division lemma. A equal to the value of B is 6. So 6q plus 0. This is our first format. Next, A equal to 6q plus 1. A equal to 6q plus 2. A equal to 6q plus 3. A equal to 6q plus 4. A equal to 6q plus 5. So the first case, A equal to 6q plus 0. So the 0 we can leave. We can write only 6q. The 6q we can write as 2 times 3q. So whatever the quotient, it is multiples of 2. So definitely it is an even number. In our case, we have to show that any positive odd integer only. So for even integer, in this case, it is not necessary. So we can leave this even integers. In this case also, so here if we take 2 common outside, this we can write as 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1, 2 times 3q plus 1. So for any integer q, for any value of this quotient, it is always multiples of 2. So definitely it is this whole integer become an even number. So this A is an even number. So even number we don't need. In this case also 6q plus R, here also we can take 2 common outside. So if we take 2 common outside, 3q plus 2. So the whole thing is multiples of 2. So definitely this is also an even number. So this also we can leave. The remaining cases, 6q plus 1. So whatever the value of the quotient, if we add 1, definitely it will become odd number. Next, here we are adding 3. So this is also an odd number. 6q plus 5. This is also an odd number. So every positive odd integer can be written in the form of 6q. So, any positive odd integer can be written in the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Next case. This is an NCERT problem. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So, what is given? To show that square of any positive integer. Square of any positive integer we have to take. Square of any positive integer can be written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. According to the hint, let x be any positive integer. So, instead of a, we can take it as x. So, x be any positive integer, then it is of the form 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Now, square of each and show that they can be written in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So, the format of 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2 also can be written in the form of 3q and 3q plus 1 itself. We have to show. So, bq plus r. So, in the place of b, we have 3. In the place of b, we have 3. So, x can be written in the form of, according to Euclid's division lemma, a equal to bq plus r. So, according to the given hint, in the place of x, we can put x. So, in the place of a, we can put x. And in the place of b, we have 3. So, b equal to 3. So, a less than b. And according to Euclid's division lemma, the range of r is 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So, b if we substitute here, 0 less than or equal to r less than 3. The range of r will be r equal to 0 less than or equal to. So, r equal to 0 and r can be greater than 0 also. So, r can be 1, r can be 2. But r should not be equal to 3 because r is less than 3. So, 3 we should not include. So, now we will write according to Euclid's division lemma, x equal to 3q plus 0. X equal to 3q plus 1. X equal to 3q plus 2. So, these are all the 3 equations we are getting. Now, what we have to do? According to this, what we need to show? We have to show that square of any positive integer. So, we need to get x square. Square of any positive integer. So, if we square x, we have to square the opposite side also. So, we will take the first condition. X equal to 3q plus 0 we can write as 3q itself. So, that x square, if we square on both sides, x square equal to 3q the whole square. That means 9q square. This we can write as 3 times 3q square. This whole thing, if we take it as m, this 3 times, this 3q square, if we take it as m, this can be written in the form of 3m. X square equal to 3q square. We are squaring on both the sides. So, this 3q square we can write as 3 square q square. So, it will become 9q square. So, if we take 3 common outside, 3 times 3q square. this 3q square, if we consider as m, it is in the form of 3m. So x square, this x square is in the form 3m. Next, we take second condition. What is the second condition? Second equation, x equal to 3q plus 1. X equal to 3q plus 1. Let me square on both sides. Let me square on both sides. So what will happen? X square equal to, this side it is like a plus b the whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab format we have to write. So 3q square a square plus b square plus 2 times a b. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if we simplify, this we can write as 9q square plus 1 plus 2 3s are 6q. So this can be rewritten as 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So in the first two terms, if we take 3 common outside, 3 times 3q square plus 2q, and outside plus 1 also there. So 3 times this 3q square plus 2q if we consider as m. So 3m plus 1. So this x square, 3q plus 1 the whole square, can be written in the form of 3m plus 1. So 3q can be written in the form of 3m, and 3q plus 1 the whole square can be written in the form of 3m plus 1. Next we will take the third condition. What is the third one? X equal to 3q plus 2. So we will square on both sides. We will square on both sides. So x square equal to, this side again a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab format we have to write. A square 3q the whole square plus b square plus 2 times 3q times 2. So what will happen? X square equal to, this can be written in the form of 9q square plus 2 square means 2 into 2, it will become 4 plus here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12q. So 9q square plus 12q plus 4. 9q square plus 12q plus this 4 we can write as 3 plus 1. So in the first 3 terms, we can take 3 common outside. So it is nothing but 3 times 3q square plus 3 we have taken outside. So it will become 4 times 4q plus 1 plus 1. This one is outside. So 3 times this bracket 3q square plus 4q plus 1. If we consider it as m, this if we consider it as m, so the whole format we can write as 3m plus 1. 3m plus 1. So 3q plus 2 the whole square. This x square format can be written in the form of 3m plus 1. So what is the first equation? X equal to 3q, that can be written, the square of that can be written in the form of 3m. X equal to 3q plus 1, that square of that number can be rewritten in the form of 3m plus 1. The third one is x equal to 3q plus 2. So if we square on both sides, x square equal to 3q plus 2 the whole square, that can be rewritten in the form of 3m plus 1. So in all three cases, either 3m or 3m plus 1. These two format we have arrived. So according to Euclid's lemma, we have showed that by using Euclid's division lemma, we have showed that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Next one. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So what we have to prove? We have to use Euclid's division lemma and we have to show that cube of any positive integer, cube of any, so that value we have to cube. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So in the place of b we have 9. In the place of b we have 9 here. So according to Euclid's division lemma, we can write this a as bq plus r, b less than a, and the range of r is 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So here, according to the given values, we can consider b equal to 9. So if we take b equal to 9, we'll substitute in this so that we can get the values of r. 0 less than or equal to r less than 9. So 0, r equal to 0, r equal to 0 and r should be greater than 0 also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and r should not be equal to 9 because r is less than 9. So we have to take the values of r up to 8. So that we'll substitute in Euclid's division lemma format. So that a equal to, in the place of b we have to write 9, 9q plus r will be, in the first case it is 0. A equal to 9q plus 1. A equal to 9q plus 2. A equal to 9q plus 3. A equal to 9q plus 4. A equal to 9q plus 5. A equal to 9q plus 6. A equal to 9q plus 7. A equal to 9q plus 8. So we have this much formats, so that we have to prove all these cubes can bring into the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Only these three formats we have to prove. For this what we have to do? We have to cube on both the sides. We have to get the cube of these numbers. So this 9q we can write as, the 0 we can leave, it become 9q itself. So a equal to 9q in the first case. If we get cube on both the sides, so a cube equal to 3 9s are there, 9 cube, q cube. So 1 9 if we take outside, 9 square and q cube. That means 9 into 81 q cube. So 19 is outside, this is 9 square, 9 into 9 become 81. So 9 times this number, if we consider it as m, it is 9 times m. So this a cube can be written in the form of 9m. Next, second case, a cube equal to 9q plus 1 the whole cube. We'll cube on both sides for the second case. 9q plus 1. So a cube equal to 9q plus 1 the whole cube. We expand this right hand side. What is the formula for a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So let me expand it. So this is 9q the whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 9q square times 1 plus 3 into 9q into 1 square. So that in this case we'll take 19 outside. So 9 times 9 square q cube plus all the q terms will write together. This one will write last. So here also if we take 19 outside, here also if we take 19 outside in this term, it is 9 square q square. So 19 if we take outside, so 19 into 3. So 9 3s are 27 q square plus here also we'll take 19 outside so that it can be written as 3q, and this term 1 cube is there now, that will write now, plus 1 cube become 1 itself. In the first 3 terms we have 9 common, so let me take 9 common outside, so that 9 square is 81, so 81 q cube plus this 9 we took outside, 27 q square, this 9 we have taken outside, plus 3q plus 1. So this bracket if we take it as m, this can be written in the form of 9m plus 1. So the first case, a equal to 9q, we have proved that it is in the form of 9m. The second case, we have proved that it is in the form of 9m plus 1. So this cube of this number, first case a equal to 9q plus 0 equal to 9q itself. That a equal to 9q, if we take cube on both sides, we got it is in the form of 9m. The second case a equal to 9q plus 1. That we have taken cube on both sides, that we brought in the form of 9m plus 1. Next, we have to take the other cases, 9q plus 2, 9q plus 3, 9q plus 4, 9q plus 5, 9q plus 6, 9q plus 7, 9q plus 8 also we have to prove they are in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 if we cube on both the sides. So, A equal to 9q plus 2, 9q plus 3, 9q plus 4, 9q plus 5, 9q plus 6, 9q plus 7 and 9q plus 8. So we'll go one by one. A equal to 9q plus 2. We'll cube on both sides. So a cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So first we'll write a cube, 9q the whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3a b square. So which are having 9? This term, this term, this term. So the three terms will bring together. So we'll take 1 9 outside. So that 9 cube is there, 1 9 we have taken, inside 9 square will be there. 9 square we can write as 81. So 81 q cube. In this term, we'll take 1 9 outside. 1 9 if we take outside. 9 square is there, 1 9 we have taken outside, 1 9 will be there. 9 3s are 27. 27 q square. And 27 and this 2 also we need to multiply. 27 times 2. So 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So 54 q square plus. Here also we'll take 1 9 outside. So that the remaining will be 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 q. This term is not having 9. So we'll write separately plus 2 into 2 into 2 become 8. So this first 3 terms we have 9. So 9 will take common outside. So that 81 q cube plus 54 q square plus 12q plus 8. So this bracket if we consider it as m, this can be written in the form of 9m plus 8. So a equal to 9q plus 2 can be written in the form of 9m plus 8. Next we'll take a equal to 9q plus 3. We'll cube on both the sides. So that a cube equal to, we'll expand the right hand side, 9q the whole cube plus 3 cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, so here we have 3 9s. So 1 9 will take it outside. So 2 9 will be there inside. So 9 9s are 81. 81 q cube. This term is not having 9. But the 3 power 3 we can write as 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So let me keep here separately plus 27. We'll see at last. In this step we have 9. 2 9s are there. 9 square q square. So 2 9 is there. So 1 9 will take outside. So 1 9 if we take outside. 2 9, 1 9 we have taken. 1 9 will be here. So 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 q square. So 1 9 we have taken outside. 1 9 will be there. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Plus Here also we'll take 1 9 outside, so that the remaining will be, this is 3 square, it will become 9, 9 3s are 27, so 27 cube plus 27 is there. So this plus 27 also, plus 3 9s are 27 now, so 9 times 3. We can take it as 9 times 3, 9 3s are 27. So every term is having 9. So let me take 9 common outside in all the terms, so that 81 cube plus 81 q square plus 27 q plus 3. So this bracket, if we consider it as m, this can be written in the form of 9m. So 9 cube plus 3, the whole cube can be written in the form of 9m. Next we will take a equal to 9 cube plus 4 and we'll cube on both the sides. So what we'll get? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So a cube 9 cube the whole cube plus 4 cube plus 3 9 cube square into 4 plus 3 9 cube into 4 square. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. In the first term, we can take 9 common outside. So 1 9 we have taken, totally 3 9s are there. So the 2 9s become, 9 into 9 become 81. So 81 cube plus this 4 cube we can write as 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. The 64 we can write as 63 plus 1. Okay, so this 4 cube we can write as 63 plus 1, that will take at last. We'll come to this step. So here we have 9. So 1 9 will take common outside. So if we take 1 9, it is 9 square q square. So we have 2 9 inside. What will happen? 3 4s are 12. 12 into 1 9 will be there. So 12 9s are 108. And q square also there. Plus, in this term also we can take 1 9 outside. 1 9 if we take, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 cube. So the remaining will be this non-9 terms. 4 cube we can write as 63 plus 1. So the 63 is multiples of 7 only. 9 7s are 63. The 63 we can write as 9 times 7. So this first, second, third, fourth terms. 4 terms have 9. So if we take 9 common outside, 81 cube plus 108 q square plus 48 cube plus 7 plus 1. So this bracket, if we consider it as m, it can be written in the form of 9m plus 1. So this a cube equal to 9q plus 4 the whole cube. This a cube can be written in the form of 9m plus 1. So likewise we need to prove all the conditions. So every case we can prove either in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So every cube of positive integer can be written in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.